Hazel family, long time no see. I took like a mini 1 week break from YouTube, social media altogether. I was just really tired, had to get my mind right, get my focus back. You guys know I do work a full-time 9 to 5, well, much more than 95. I do a lot of hours in my regular job, and it was a transition period because I started a new location with new staff, so I needed a quick break. But I am back, so good afternoon, good morning, good day, good night, whenever you're watching this. If you're new to the channel, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're old timers, you know, welcome as usual. Thank you for clicking another video to watch from me. This video, as you can see, I got my robe on. I'm not really fully dressed because this is gonna be a get ready with me video. I do have somewhere to go. In a few hours, I'm going out with some friends to a little event, going out to eat and stuff like that. So I said, why not do a little sit down, chilled, get ready with me video. But at the same time, Marie from andthecolorgreen, that is her YouTube channel, andthecolorgreen. She's also the curator behind Face Mask Alchemy. Marie did a would you rather, well, she created a would you rather skincare tag, and she tagged me in this video a long time ago. I am not good with keeping up with tag videos, but I'm trying to do better things in 2018. So with that said, this is going to be a get ready with me while I do the skincare tag that I was tagged in by Marie. I'm not necessarily going to go through the products I'm using on my face because it's a skincare tag video, not necessarily the products, but I will try to list them in the description bar for you as I go along. Therefore, yeah, just try to listen in the description bar for you. So the first question, and I'm going to be looking down a lot, so pardon my not looking at you. I usually look at you guys in your eyes and everything, but today I'll be looking at my tablet and also at my mirror to make sure I'm applying the product properly. Not at you. Sorry. Alright, the first question is, would you rather use coconut oil or lose all your sunscreen? Now, with that said, I'm going to give you a very easy, stereotypical answer. I would much rather lose all my sunscreen. Only because, and this is bad, I know they always say you need to wear sunscreen, you need to wear sunscreen, all that kind of jazz. I don't wear sunscreen. I just don't. If I'm using a product and it already has SPF in it, good. But other than that, I just don't use sunscreen. Coconut oil, I use it sometimes if I'm removing my makeup, but it's not something that I use on a regular basis. And I also use coconut oil on my locks sometimes, so I definitely would rather have my coconut oil. Foundation is on. I also took the time to do my eyebrows, so now I'm back. Just to give you guys a heads up, right? I don't really know that much about skincare, like the real deep details. I just know what my skin likes and what works for me. So I kind of don't know how this skincare tag is gonna go as far as answering the questions, because I see she asked some really serious questions that I might not be able to answer, but we're gonna keep going. It's all fun and games. Okay, so what is this? Eyebrows done. What do I do next? What do I do next? It's just a basic everyday look. What is it you do? You put on the, what is that your name? This concealer. Okay, the next question is, would you rather give up oils or toners? I don't know. I use both. Should I do an eye look? Nah, not so much makeup, just a basic face. I'd rather give up toners. Yeah, toners. Only because I use oils to help to remove my makeup. So I kind of need that. And also the oils help with my hair. So kind of need that as well. The oils serve as a double purpose for me. Would you rather use mineral oil or parabens? Marie, you trying it. You're really trying it. I would say I would rather use mineral oils. To be honest, I'm trying to get rid of both out of my skincare, makeup, everything line. But if I had to choose one of the bad ones to use, I would rather use mineral oils than parabens. Would you rather use Neutrogena or olive oil? Ooh. So basically what she's trying to say is if you had to use a conventional skincare product, would you rather Neutrogena or olive oil? I don't know much about either companies except that, you know, I see them all the time in the drugstore. You know, you can't miss them. I know about them, but I've never actually, I don't think I've ever used either of them, even before, because even before, you know, going green and using more healthier ingredient-wise products, I never really was big on skincare. It was just never my thing. So I just never really used either of them. But if I had to choose, because this is the would you rather tax, you have to choose. If I had to choose, I would say I would use, I don't know, Neutrogena. Only because it sounds healthier. I don't know, Neutrogena, nutrients. I could be wrong. But it sounds healthier, so I would pick Neutrogena. Would you rather use chemical or physical exfoliation? Once again, I know what you're talking about. I'm guessing a chemical exfoliation is like a chemical peel. Never had that done. Don't know anything about that. And I'm guessing physical exfoliation is like what I do when I face scrub. So if my guess is right, and correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, I would say I'd rather do a physical exfoliation. I don't know anything about chemical exfoliations. Don't know if I need it in my skin. Just don't know. So I would say all the way with physical exfoliation, because I do that already now. I do use face scrubs from time to time when I really want to get deep in there and really clean my skin. I do use a face scrub. I think we blended enough, right? Because I would spend forever blending. I will blend until my hands are tired. I think we're good though. I think we're good. Would you rather have a bad chemical peel? What's all this? Put your hand down. Would you rather have a bad chemical peel or spend all day in the sun in Hawaii with no sunscreen? That question is easy. Easy peasy. Easy. I would rather, make sure I get all this. Wait. I would rather easy spend all day laying in the sun in Hawaii with a nice little, you know, bikini on, maybe two-piece, don't know how I'm feeling it, how the body's looking, getting that nice sun ray. Hopefully I have a pinata, no. What's that drink that I like? Either a margarita or a pina colada, or mix them together like a pina rigada together in my hand, salt on the rim. And, you know, have the breeze just blowing in my face, sun beaming down, family all around, kids playing in the water, husband just looking, you know, snatched and chocolate is ever just glistening, melanin popping, just laying in the sun. Easy. You can, easy. Sun don't bother me. Even though I know I need to, people, you know, everyone says you're supposed to wear sunscreen. I'm just not on that bandwagon yet. Just not yet, not yet. Question. Would you rather, no, I just did that one. Would you rather an airplane lose all your skincare or all of your makeup? That one is kind of hard. Because I do makeup videos and stuff for you guys. But like I always preach and say, I don't really wear a lot of makeup unless like I'm going out like today or I'm going to work. I do a basic face. But also when it comes to skincare, I just do the basic as well. I don't do much when it comes to skincare either. So if I was on a plane and the plane had to, well, I'm not on the plane because I don't want that situation to happen in my life. I'm not wishing that on nobody. Definitely not on the plane. But if the plane was carrying my stuff by itself, and I guess it had to reach me somehow, would I rather lose all my skincare or all my makeup? It depends. It's always criteria, you guys, always. It depends where I am. Now let's say somehow I was possibly on the plane got stranded. I'm on a deserted island somewhere and everything else got lost. If I'm on a deserted island somewhere, then that question is easy. Easy. The answer might surprise you. If I'm on a deserted island somewhere, I would want the plane to lose all of my skincare. Sounds crazy, right? But hair is the kicker, the reason why. I might not ever need to wear the makeup while I'm on the island. I probably will never need to wear the makeup because when I go on vacation anywhere, I don't wear makeup. Especially if I'm going to the beach, for what? But think about it like this, right? My skincare is so basic. Wait, I gotta focus. Wait, I gotta focus. Wait. My skincare is so basic that I wouldn't be losing much, to be honest. And if I did lose it, I can easily get it back. Like, my skincare consists of mainly drinking a lot of water. So wherever I am, as long as I have fresh water somewhere, we good. Also, my skin likes aloe, so most of my products have aloe in it. As long as I have an aloe plant, I'm sure I can find an aloe plant somewhere in the island. We're good. My skincare also like have a lot of natural ingredients in it. So if I have like a rose bush somewhere, easy, rose water. You know, stuff like that. Coconuts, easy. Mix it together, dry it, turn to oil. Well, you have to grate it first, boil it. It's a whole process, but coconut oil, I mean, and then if I'm stranded on the island and everything, I'll be so stress-free, no work to worry about, no, you know, stress of living in a regular 9-to-5 job. My skin would just be flawless and flourish anyway because stress, you know, messes up your skin. I'll just be living a good life on the island, so I wouldn't even need skincare, you know? You get the logic? The makeup, I have it just in case. I wouldn't need it, but I can't really replicate the makeup because I just don't know how. So let's lose the skincare. If you had $250 to spend on skincare, what would you buy? That's enough money, you know, that's enough money for true. What would I buy? I don't know because I really like, you guys don't believe me. I should do a skincare video to show you the skincare products that I have. The products that I have is because I tried them and I like them, but I don't know much about skincare like I should. What am I looking for? A highlighter. I would definitely buy stuff from Lotus Moon Skincare because I like their stuff that I already have. Definitely would already get my Face Mask Alchemy monthly subscription box. So I'll definitely continue that service because I have it. I've gotten 2 boxes so far and I love it. Oh, May Lindstrom Clean Dirt. That is something I'll definitely get. I had tried the sample once and I liked it. Natural Annie Essentials. I'll spend buku dollars on her stuff. So like for example, I love my face gel. Have it on today as usual. I applied it first as my primer. And I love the face scrub, which is a what is something name? Baking soda base scrub. So yeah, those are the products I'll spend my $250 on. If you had to give up your entire skincare collection and only keep 3 products, what would they be? I would definitely keep my face gel from Natural Annie Essentials. Trust me, you guys, I love it. It's multi-use. I will also definitely keep my Lotus Moon Hydrating Vitamin B Face Serum. Love that to death. And one more thing. What else would I need? 3 things. Alright, I'm back. So I went upstairs and I got them for you guys. So this is the Lotus Moon Vitamin B Hydrating Face Gel. Lotus Moon Vitamin B Hydrating Gel Facial Moisturizer. And the last thing that I would definitely not give up is the same Lotus Moon Hibiscus Flower Hydrating Lotion Facial Moisturizer. So one is the gel and one is the lotion. So those 2 and my Natural Annie Face Gel, I wouldn't give them up. Would you rather give up peptides or vitamin C? Ooh. Ooh, Marie, I don't know what the benefits of either are, to be honest. Vitamin C sounds like something that you always need in your body because it prevents colds and all that stuff. But as far as for skincare, I don't know what the benefit is. But peptides, I like the way it sounds. It just sounds interesting. But anyway, because I'm more familiar with vitamin C, I guess I would rather give up peptides because I don't know what they are. I can easily research it, but I'm getting ready right now and I got things to do. So later on I can research it and get more knowledge on it. But I guess I will keep the vitamin C and give up the peptides. Not the best answer, but it is my answer. Would you rather give up hydration or acids? Acids. I love hydration. I need hydration. My skin flourishes from hydration. I like a nice, healthy, hydrated skin. When my skin is ooh, am I doing too much? I think I'm doing too much highlight. When my skin is hydrated, it doesn't get as oily as it would normally get. When it is not hydrated, it just looks healthier. It has a nice natural glow to it. So I would much rather give up acids than hydration. Would you rather give up skincare or deodorant? That question really kind of disrupted my soul. Had me coughing and everything. Why is that question so hard to answer? I don't use much skincare, but I know I need it. So I don't want to give it up. And deodorant, I don't get that sweaty. I don't. But sometimes at my job, when it gets too stressful, I do get sweaty. But it's not crazy, but you know, just for hygienic reasons and to not smell in public, I do need deodorant. Even though the deodorants that I use are most natural you can find, but they still help. Which one though? Skincare or deodorant? You know what? I'm giving up the deodorant. If you're around me, you smell me, that's your problem. I need my skincare. I don't know much about it, but I know enough to know that I need it. I need this base to stay as healthy as possible. I need this base to look good and longevity. I need this base to just glow without the makeup. I just need this base to be the best base it can be. So I'm giving up the deodorant. I'll be cute. I'll smell, have a little fun to it, but I'll be cute and I have a glowing skin that doesn't crack. Would you rather use rosehip seed oil or jojoba oil? What else do I have to put on? I think the face is done. I'd rather use rosehip seed oil. Yeah. Jojoba oil, you can go. I would rather rosehip seed oil. Next question. Would you rather use retinol or carrot seed oil? Never used either. Don't know much about either. But for this one, I guess we're going to play the any, mini, miny, mo game. So, any, mini, miny, mo, I would give up retinol. Because carrot is a vegetable. I know I need it because it has good stuff. So, that's going to be my basis of this answer. Carrot sounds more like something that I know. I don't know. We're going to keep the carrot seed and put away the retinol because I know, right? It's the worst tag ever. But we're going to keep the carrot seed because it's a vegetable and I know carrots and I don't know retinol. You're such a failure. You failed. You failed at this video. Alright, let's answer the last question. The last question. Would you rather meet Caroline Herons or Tata Harper? I've heard the name Tata Harper. I've seen her products before. I do not know who Caroline is. I'm so sorry, Caroline. If you're watching this, hi, my name is Nadia, aka Kaya Journey. Nice to meet you. But which one would I rather meet? I mean, whichever one is going to sponsor my videos and give me some free products to review or to try. Hi, my name is Nadia, aka Kaya Journey. Nice to meet you. That's who I would rather meet. Oh my gosh, the drama, the shade, this video makes no sense. No sense at all. But honestly, I don't know which one. I'm gonna say Tata Harper if I had to because she's the only one I recognize. I don't recognize and I don't know who Caroline Herons is. But best believe after this video, I will be doing my research to get to know all of these ladies and products that I did not know before. So this skincare tag is teaching me that I don't know a lot about skincare, like I previously stated. Is no joke. I really don't know. Well, that's it. There you have it. Face is done. That was a quick little mini get ready with me while I go out with the girls. While I did a skincare tag, a would you rather skincare tag that I totally botched. I totally messed it up, but it's alright. It was all fun. I realized that I don't know much about skincare like I previously stated. I need to learn a lot more. Sorry, Marie, if I let you down. I'm so sorry because you're the skincare expert. I go to you whenever I need skincare tips, help, advice, lessons, like, you know, with a pen and paper and everything. So if you guys really want information about skincare and the real scientific explanation behind it, I might not be the one to come to, but Marie, she got you. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And thank you for watching. If you enjoy Get Ready With Me, or if you enjoyed this particular video, let me know in the comments section. I can do more if you want. Thank you, Marie, for making this tag, for tagging me. I tag everyone that watches this, that wants to do this video. And that's it. Have a good day, you guys. Now let me go upstairs and finish getting ready, put on the outfit, put on the heels, get snatched, and just look cute. Bye, you guys.